Freedom Explosion. Unlocking destinies from cages of fear. February 2nd, 2019, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. This one-day ministry intensive is hosted by the Life Center's Supernatural Healing and Deliverance Ministry team. This workshop exposes the works of darkness, recurring patterns that hinder growth and progress. Issues addressed include the 5 areas that cause the greatest vulnerability: unforgiveness, family sin patterns, wounds and hurts, the lies we believe, and deliverance from demonic spirits. Who should attend? Anyone desiring to fulfill destiny and freedom from the spirit of fear. Experience a fresh outpouring of the love, grace, and power of the presence of God the Father through Holy Spirit-led teaching, activations, and ministry. We invite you to be set free to live the abundant life bought and paid for by Jesus Christ. Cost? Free. A love offering will be received.